Let's talk about bent over rows. This is a great exercise for strengthening our back and our postural muscles. A strong back can help maintain proper posture while minimizing slumping. This exercise targets our posterior deltoids, our latissimus dorsi, our rhomboids, as well as our trapezius and other upper back muscles. To start this exercise, we're going to stand about hip width apart with a slight bend in our knees, and we're going to hinge forward at the hips to about 90 degrees. We're going to go between 45 and 90, but closer to 90 the better. We just want to make sure that you're comfortable and feeling the activation in this position. We are going to grab our band and start by putting our shoulders back, engaging our core, and making sure that our arms are about shoulder width apart. We're going to smoothly draw our elbows back up at the same time and leading with our elbows until they go just past your torso, squeezing our shoulder blades at the top. Just past our torso and back down. We want to make sure that our back is as flat as we can and we're keeping our shoulders back and our chest out throughout the entire movement. We're going to take a breath at the bottom and then we're going to exhale at the top through the sticking point and then inhale, returning back down to the bottom. So we're going to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. If you're working with a bar or a dumbbell, the closer your back can be parallel with the floor, the better. Regardless of what the resistance is, being a cable machine, a bar, or a band, the angle of the torso compared to the starting position of the actual resistance should allow for a pull that is perpendicular to the torso. A common mistake we see when performing this exercise is the position that we put our back in. We want to think of pushing our hips back to encourage our spine to stay in a neutral position throughout the movement. So we're pushing our hips back to make our back straight with the ground. The other common mistake we see most often is when there's too much engagement in the traps opposed to the rhomboids. To correct this, we want to make sure that we're as parallel to the floor as we can be. If you struggle to maintain proper form throughout this move or it bothers your back, try doing a single arm row or doing alternating single arm rows. Make sure to figure out a set and rep range that works best with your goals.